Number 19, again, goes back to the way that I like to train my employees, and that is don't be be a problem solver. You'll be faced with all kinds of problems in your life and in your career. The first thing that you need to do is start to try and figure out how to solve the problem. Okay? Some people complain, some people blame others. You're going to solve the problem. And having said that, you don't need to even solve the problem. If I have an employee that I give a task to, and that employee goes off to do that task and comes back having encountered a problem, I only have one expectation, that he or she comes back with a clear outline of what they did to try and solve the problem, and out of the possible options that they uncovered, they recommend the one that they think is best. They don't have to solve the problem. All they have to do is give me the understanding that they tried.